What's up?
Hello.
Hey.
So I just moved from New York to Minnesota last month, and for my first big group outing, my roommates Amanda and took me to Valley Scare. Yay!
Amanda, what ride are we getting on?
The corkscrew, I think?
Cool.
It looks closed as fuck though.
This
What the
doesn't
hell?
look like a real...
Why spend money on this motherfucker?
We're getting on the corkscrew. There's a line, but the line, it doesn't look like it should be open.
They kicked me off at Adderall because they were like, I don't think it's strong enough.
Yeah, I don't think it's doing anything for you. Look at that guy. He's doing fire shit. I knew people in high school who did this.
For your lifestyle, currently.
I couldn't get any footage of it because it's a roller coaster, but we just went on the corkscrew. What would you rate the first roller coaster we went on?
Out of what?
Like on a tier list, A to F.
I would give it a D tier.
A D tier?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow, really?
It's really short.
I was gonna give it a B tier. I guess it was short.
You didn't go to Disneyland growing up, huh?
Well, averaged out to C. I think that's fair. Yeah. They got funnel cake here. I might come back for this. Fight Club. I don't know. We're drinking today. This is the Carn Evil.
Yeah.
The Carn Evil. I'm hoping someone will try to scare me. I feel like behind whatever this thing is, someone might be waiting to scare me. That might be fun. No, that's just a kid. Is that Snoopy? Snoopy, what are you doing here? Snoopy, this is a badass movie. You shouldn't be here. What's up?
Hello.
Hey. Why are there so many Snoopies here? What the fuck?
Don't go down.
There's another one. Wow, swing. It's going kind of slow. So that looks fun. I would do that. Is that for kids? Wait, do it again. I wasn't filming.
No.
Oh. Oh, where'd she go? Where's Amanda? Oh, guys, where'd Amanda go? Amanda, where'd you go? Whoa, she scared me. What the fuck is with all the Snoopies? Why? Why are there so many Snoopies? What was that? The high roller. We're doing the high roller. This line is crazy. So many people. It doesn't look that exciting. So imagine that, except I'm actually on the ride, and that's what the ride is like. When the hits your ride like a big pizza pie, that's a moment. I don't know the rest of the song. I'm contemplating stealing a Valley Fair glass that has a syringe in it for some reason. What does that say? Discard after use. That is what they did.
Yeah.
Amanda, what's that?
You gotta you mean my pocket treat?
Yeah, where'd you get that?
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Where'd you get that, Amanda?
I got it from my pocket.
Oh, yeah.
Apple
tea.
I personally. No, I think I
7 out of 10. She just became a firefighter. That's why. Okay, remember before when I looked at like the little part of their ride and I thought it wouldn't be that bad? It turns out the ride was this one. Way up there. Alright, Amanda, what would you rate that on a tier list?
I think I would give it a B, honestly.
I would also give it a B.
I would go so far. I mean, depending on what everything else is, I might
Yeah.
give it an A if it's better than the others. But I haven't tasted the flavors of the rest of the rides.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm also on B tier for this one.
Yeah.
So we'll call it B tier. Look at that guy. Hey there. Nice to meet you. Cream cheese wontons? That sounds so gross.
What?
I want to try one. Is this the haunted house one?
This is on the house, but you're on freight lanes. The line's down over there.
Our Halloween costume character. Oh, never mind. We're not doing that one. I'm actually pretty glad my friends walked past it. More Snoopy shit. Why is there so much Snoopy shit? What the fuck? Who's paying for all this? I do not want to do that. That looks terrible. That is fucked. That's so fucked. Look at how small they are. Jesus. I don't know what that was. Hang on, I gotta look. Hi. Oh. And they're dead. We're never gonna hear from them ever again. That sucks. They got Halo. They got Halo. That's Master Chief. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know where we're going. These are my friends. I'm just following them. I'm just walking by them, and I'm waiting to see what happens next. What we're doing? That was kind of fun. It's spinning. It's so spinny. I don't know if I could handle that. That is not what we're doing. That is not. We walked right past it, and I don't know where we're going. Amanda, look, it's the crane game. Amanda, do you want to play the crane game?
I'm trying to.
Do you want to play? Do you want to play the crane game?
Trying to keep the gambling addiction on a down.
Oh shit! You're balling. Route 76, like that movie, Cars. It's not. You can't see. Oh, there it is. Route 76. Just like I always say. Route 76. That's where you get the kicks. Like the movie. I hope this is not the ride that we're going to. I don't want to do that. Oh, look. It's fun. What does that even mean? How does that work? Okay, I hate that. That sucks. Oh man. I hope that's not where we're going. Oh, I don't want to do that. That's this ride. Oh no, why are we still going forward? This is Steel Venom?
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to do this.
Okay, then you can go hang out with me.
Okay. I don't know if I want to do this one.
Well, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you what your opinion was afterwards. Yeah. I'm not. That's us. Wait, no, is that someone else? No, that's a different thing. That's the part that I really don't want to do. That's fun. Behind time. It's crazy. Put the mental line, okay? Oh god, it lasts for so long. Right. Alright, well, we're done now. Wait, so you didn't actually go on it?
No, like they have been.
Oh. Wait, they've what?
They've been stuck on it. Like,
Oh shit. That sucks. At least they didn't get stuck when it was moving. So Amanda, what would you rate the hypothetical experience of going on that ride?
S tier.
Yeah? It looks crazy. It looks
Oh
wild.
yeah, I've only been on it before. I think it's A tier, but it's different than. I put it at the same level as that one roller coaster because it's just like completely different.
Yeah. Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
I'm sure glad that I didn't go on it.
Yeah, it was crazy. I threw up.
Oh. This is fucked up. What are they about to do over here? Oh my god, it's gonna get me DMC. Are you just facing downwards? Uh-oh. That's crazy. I don't know who those people are, I'm just filming them. Are they just gonna drop them?
3, 2, 1, fly.
Holy fuck! I lost them. Where'd they go? That's insane. Well, actually, after the first drop, then maybe it's not so bad. Imagine if they get cut off somehow. They would die for sure. That would suck. Alright, we're going to Cryptid Land. Flash retarded. Oh yeah, thank you. He said there's ground right there.
But isn't there ground everywhere?
Yeah, that's the joke.
Oh, he was being funny.
Yeah, he was being funny. He got me good. He played me like a fucking fiddle.
He would have played me too, because I was like, what?
Yeah. So I think the rule for this one is that I can film, but I can't use flash, which is fine, because I don't think I really need it anyway. Who's that guy? He looks good. Hey, come here often. Can I buy you a drink?
Where did you go?
We don't talk about food.
Okay, yeah.
No food or beverage is allowed. Bigfoot is already big. We do not need bigger foot. We can't afford a new statue because you people overpaid him. No smoking, no flashlights, no flash photography, and no filming. Bobcat won't go crazy from any light source. That includes your cell phone, so please keep it tucked away while you're inside. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a fantastic day.
I'm not allowed to film this.
You're
not allowed to.
world famous Bigfoot. An enigmatic creature that has captured our imaginations. The first scientific signs of the world started to dangerous actions.
That's a critter right there. Look at that guy.
Creatures of storm take no
That's Bigfoot. That's Bigfoot. That's Bigfoot. Alright, that was it. But yeah, Amanda, how would you rate the cryptid land?
In terms of like the rest of the rides, or in terms of haunted houses?
In terms of rest of the rides.
Well, it didn't break down.
That's true.
I think it was a C on its own. It's not very good. Like the people that you're with does make it a little better.
I'll
However,
give it
you cannot rely on them to give like a score.
It's true.
A C.
I'm happy with a C. I felt like it was a C as well.
Yeah.
Alright, haunted house is over, but I think it looks like we are about to do some arcade games.
Alright, all you need to do is just aim right for the center of the target. That'll make the Pokemon start to go up, and that first Pokemon to the top will win the medium prize. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's start in 3, 2, 1, and go! Looks like we got number 1 off to a lead here overall, y'all. And number 1 takes the dog.
Good job!
I gave y'all a chance.
We tried. We're not good at this.
Big winner, big winner.
What are you gonna name it?
I don't know.
Wait, what is that? It's like a horse?
It's a horse, yeah.
Nice.
Alright, here we go. Alright, number 10 won the first game. Wow.
My 10 points.
Be the second round.
Go, Smith.
Alright, here, Neil.
You guys ready? Alright, here we go. Oh god, I know. These are photos. Number 10 wins.
Dude, I fucking suck. I fucking suck at this shit. Jesus fucking Christ.
I got my competition. I got my competition.
I got one.
Let's go.
Everyone wins.
And that's the end of my first little adventure in Minnesota. I've been kind of taking a break from YouTube while I get settled in, but I'm hoping to do more fun IRL stuff like this instead of just playing games all the time. You know, Balatro was cool and all, but I don't want to make Balatro videos for the rest of my life. I might not upload very frequently over the next few months, but that doesn't mean I've forgotten about you all. I love YouTube and I love making videos, and I'll always have you guys in the back of my mind. I'm really grateful for everyone who keeps watching through all the new stuff I try, and I hope we get to go on even more adventures together.
Amanda,
Hello.
what do you want to say to the video before it ends?
Video.
Leave your house much earlier because the traffic is so bad.
Thanks for watching, everyone.